The last example for this lesson wants us to determine the relationship between two lines. So we're trying to decide if these lines are parallel or perpendicular or neither. So here we go. Determine whether line AB and line EF are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Right? And this symbol here with the double arrows is the symbol for line if you are not familiar with that. Okay, point A is at 6, 8, B is at 2, 5, E is at -6, -3, and F is at 0, 5. So the first thing we have to do is we have to find the slope of each line because that's going to help us determine if they're parallel, perpendicular, or neither. The slope of AB, line AB, is 8 minus 5 over 6 minus 2, right? 8 minus 5 over 6 minus 2, which is 3 over 4. The slope of line EF is -3 minus 5 over -6 minus 0, which is -8 over -6, or 4 over 3. To determine whether lines are parallel, compare the slopes. The two lines do not have the same slope, so they are not parallel. Right? You have to have the same slope to be parallel. To determine whether lines are perpendicular, find the product of their slopes. The product of their slopes is 1. Since the product of their slopes is not -1, line AB and line EF are not perpendicular to each other. So we would say that these lines between the choices parallel, perpendicular, or neither, that these lines are neither. Which means these are just two random lines on a graph. They don't run parallel to each other. They don't intersect at a 90-degree angle. They will intersect at some point, but we don't really know what that looks like without graphing it out. We could graph it out. We're not going to.